Hello everyone and welcome to Olajo the Crocheting Sailor. I'm popping on to talk to you all about this beautiful big twist yarn, t-shirt yarn. Oh my goodness, I love working with t-shirt yarn. So I am going to go over how I feel about it. As you can see, I was working on my sweater and guess what? I have the sleeve done. Yes, I have the sleeve done. Don't mind the yarn and the tails, but look, I am halfway done with the other sleeve. So pretty. So I cannot wait. I am going to be ready for the winter, and I think I'm probably going to do that pink and black one. I think there was a pink and black one. I can't think of the name of it. But anyway, I had to show y'all the progress. So let's go ahead and get into this review. I just pulled up the Joann website. This is where you can order your t-shirt yarn. I went in the store to purchase my yarn. You can get it online for $9.74. They have 14 colors available, and what you just saw is Orchid Bloom. This big twist yarn is 100% recycled polyester. It's 131 yards, 14.1 ounces, 120 meters, and 400 grams. The recommended needle size is a 9 millimeter, US 13. For the crochet hook, the recommended is a 9 millimeter, US M13, and this is a super bulky 6. I like this nice diagram that shows how many of these you will need to create a project. The symbols at the bottom show that we should machine wash cold, do not bleach, dry flat, do not iron, and do not dry clean. This is made of recycled materials. This color is called Banana. Very pretty. I also picked up Skipping Stones. Nice pretty aqua blue. I picked up Bright White. And this last one here is Chopped Herbs. It's a nice pretty green. So I actually got 2 of these, and that is because I really do want to make a bag, a handbag. I was thinking about making a basket too. So if you are wondering what you can make with t-shirt yarn, those are some of the items that you can make. You can also make handles for bags. Right now, I worked up a swatch for you. I am using my clover hook. This clover is a 9 millimeter, which is the recommended hook size. Even though FURLS is my favorite, I still use my clover hooks. I was a clover girl before becoming a FURLS girl. So I'm working up some single crochets for this small bag. Make sure that I am in the camera so you can see me working it up. I would say that this yarn is soft. I am going to compare this to my favorite t-shirt yarn that I used before Big Twist came out with this. I love working with Wool and the Gang Jersey Be Good yarn. This t-shirt yarn is 98% cotton and 2% elastane, and it is approximately 500 grams. So I ordered this online from Wool and the Gang. When I pulled up the website, it showed that it was originally $13.99 for this. And they had a sale where it was $9.10, but it looks like they're all out of stock. I always keep some of this on hand because I love making my handbags with this. And I have done many commission bags using it. But the 2% elastane gives this a lot of stretch. All right. Since this is a big twist review, I am going to stick to talking about big twist for the most part, but it has a little bit of stretch, but not as much because it does not have the elastane. So the elastane gives the woolen again a little more stretchiness than the polyester. But I must say that the big twist yarn is much softer to me than the wool in the gang. The wool in the gang is a nice soft yarn. You would like to use a soft t-shirt yarn because I feel like it can really cut in between your fingers when you're working it up, because it's hard to get through as it is. But I must say that Big Twist did a wonderful job on creating this yarn because it is nice and soft and it is easy to work with. And it's a good price point as well. So I will continue on working up this handbag right here with a few single crochets. I am going to do some half double crochets so you can see how it works up. But this is so soft and it's enjoyable to work with, honestly. So let me see if I can do some double crochets in here so you all can see how this works up with the 9mm. Oh, this is working well. I'm really happy with it so far. Here are the results. You can make some wonderful baskets, wonderful items with this. You could probably even do a bucket hat or something like that. So many different options. And here's the back side of the handbag, and then I can show you here that it does have stretch and give to it, and it has a nice softness to this yarn. I thought of a great idea to do a pillow cover with this t-shirt yarn as well, a small, medium, or large one. I also have a tutorial on my channel on using t-shirt yarn, and you may find it interesting. You can find that in my playlist of my tutorials. You all have a wonderful day. I hope this video was helpful for you in determining whether or not you would like to give Big Twist t-shirt yarn a try, or just try something new if you haven't used t-shirt yarn in general. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching the review and the comparison between Wool in the Gang and Big Twist. You all have a wonderful day, and remember to live each day as if it were your last. I'll see you guys next time. I also picked up skipping. Ooh.